Guys, in this video I'll show you how to add music notes to your Instagram account on Android. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive into it. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram app. And then on this page here, you want to tap on the messenger icon, top right hand corner of your screen. Right on the top left hand corner of your screen, you'll see where it says notes. You need to create a note for this to work, so click on note, click on not now, and then put in a note here. I'm just going to put in a random note like so. And now to add music to this note, click on the little music icon, should be below where the note is, so tap on like so. And it's got all the recommended music for you, or you can click on browse. You've got different genres you can add in, or you can simply type in the music you want to add in. So you can search for music. So I'm just going to do Eminem. Just all the tracks from Eminem will appear, so I can pick a song. So I'm just going to click on this one here. And now simply slide left to right to pick what part of the song you want to use. So I'm just going to use where normally they got dots here where the most popular part of the track is. So I'm going to click right here, just like so, and then click the tick. And now that's been added to my notes on Instagram. And also while you're here, you can click the camera icon to add photos or videos to your note as well. Once that is done, just click on the share button, top right hand corner of your screen, and now that's been added to my notes on my Instagram. So that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.